Yeah, hi everyone. So this is the Nifty's full update, and so as you all know, like we only follow the light green and the light red, not the deep green or the deep red. So those are just for reference, and so again we mainly follow the model one, so which is at the top as you can see, and the ATM is 24,900, and for Sensex it's again 81,700. Or it went to 800, but yeah, it's fine. So yeah, this is the current update, and this is the update like throughout the day whatever happened. So basically like if you see, so again we don't always go with every buy or sell signal on the smart trend, as you all know. And the main major thing is like in Sensex, if you notice in the morning, like there was majorly put writing, and here also in Nifty, right at the bottom there were the put writers, and after that it pumped up. So and after, like in the middle here, if you can see, both call writers and put writers were there in Sensex also. Like right here someone shorted, and after that like they tried to take it down, and so that's the overall thing for Sensex. And yeah, this is the current update. Okay, so for Nifty, yeah, for Nifty, like again, here also like almost at the same time when I think in Sensex like 1107. So this was 1046. So in Sensex at 1107, like here they shorted. So like you can pair up with Sensex and Sensex and Nifty, and get a, like if you want to increase your accuracy you can pair them up. And also, like as I said, like once some big shorts or big long positions are formed, we should wait for the charts to bend. And right here as you can see, even in Sensex and Nifty both call writing happened and the charts are bending, but let's see. Yeah, hi everyone, hi Prashant. So even when like on the smart trend the like the trailing SL is very near, so we can also wait for the sell signal on the smart trend as well. So So the amount of call writing that was done here was 28 CR, and in Sensex it's not much, it's 30 lakhs. So Sensex mostly, like, you will see tomorrow, like during the expiry day. On the expiry day, like, huge positions are being taken there. Yeah, thanks Ronak for coming up. Yes, yes, yes. HDAMC. Yes, so MGL, I think you posted, you sent me those. Send me the one for the MGL. Yeah, right. Yes, so the thing is that overall, I mean, sentiments can be, like, in the option chain, the overall sentiments can be positive. So let me show you. So again, a quick recap, like how to read this thing is basically you have to, like, see the change in the score, even if it is positive as well. So you have to see whether the scores are increasing or decreasing. So yes, I mean, you can set alerts, like, suppose, let's say that whenever you want, like, whenever more than 30 CR of call writing is being done, in, or put writing is done in Nifty, so you will get an alert. So you can simply, like, right click on this and add alert, and you can go for plot, and in the plot you have all those put writing, call writing, buying. So since we don't follow the buying, so you can just simply go for the writing. So whether you want put writing, or whether you want the signal for call writing. Okay, so put writing and call writing are there, and you can select, and you can select, place the value, and trigger once per bar close. Okay, so, and then after that, like, you can also customize your message, and you can just simply write call, suppose call writing greater than 30 CR, or similarly you can also put, like, call writing greater than 50 CR. So several alerts you can put, and you can also decide, like, how to get the notification. Okay, so whenever, like, a big amount of call writing is happening or put writing is happening, you can, like, I mean, go and check out the charts. Like, for example, you would better understand if we, like, in the morning the ATM was 700. So let's change it to 700. So let's see what happened right here. So now this is with respect to 700, and again, if you click here 700, make here 700. Okay, so, like, again, on our quantum model, so there were signs of call writing just right at the top, it fell, but the major, and even in the model 1 also there was sign of call writing. As you can see, like, 24,700 is the ATM, and clearly, like, both of them together worked out and fell, and right at the bottom, like, if you see here, put writing happened, and that was a good amount of put writing, 48.9. Okay, so which is almost 50 CR of put writing happened, and it pumped up. Okay, so while pumping up, yes, there were call writers also present here, but like, finally, let's see what happens. But I mean, they were not able to move the chart, like, too much. But yes, like, what you can do here is, like, since the SL of the, like, as I always say, that wait for the charts to bend. Okay, so like, here the thing is that the charts are not bending. Okay, here it still started bending, but you see that, like, the SL, or the trailing SL of the buying zone in the smart trend is very near. So what you can do is you can also wait for the Just a second, I'll explain again. So I've initiated a position. So as you can see, like currently this is nicely working out. So this is the thing which I was saying, like even if you can wait for the sell signal also, right here also, like, so whenever the thing like the smart trend SL is very very near, so you can like even wait for the sell signal. If it is too far, like you can simply go as you see the charts are bending. Even you can see like you can instantly go as soon as the charts are bending, and you can trail the profits. Okay, so but if you want to do it by hand, so sometimes you might fail to trail the profits. So obviously, like I would say that use some algo to trail the profits. Yeah, so I should also change the ATM to 900. Let's change it back to 900. Okay, again put writers are coming, I think. So the thing is that like you can, that's why like I pair up Nifty with Sensex. Like suppose if some signal is missing in Nifty, so it might be present in Sensex and vice versa. So right here we got the signal of the put writing, and that was the clear signal to like if I have shorted, so I would definitely close it here, right there. So even if I get 1 or 2 points, or maybe 3 to 5 points as well, like that's like fine. But I know that like put riders are present, and again the fall might not be as expected. How's the alert? Tomorrow Sensex expiry. We are waiting for your live. Okay. Prabhu, I think Mr. Prabhu, you are a member. Pardon me if I'm wrong. So, which stocks are good to trade intraday and have good liquidity? So, for stocks to trade, I personally don't trail. I personally don't trade in stocks. Yes, I'll show. So the thing is that like Ronak trades in stocks, and what he does is like stock options specifically, and that too like he he writes them like in futures. So since liquidity is mostly not available, so what he does is, so he looks at NSE OI spurts, like the change in the OI, open interest, okay, and so if in the morning, like from 9:20 to 9:30, if the open interest change in the open interest is near about 7% or greater than 7%, then he tracks those stocks with the help of the HFT, and mostly he's, as he said, like he doesn't take a position in option due to the liquidity factor. So if the charts are following, So if the charts are following, then he like the HFT or whatever the HFT Algo Scanner is showing, then he takes those uh, trades mostly in the futures, as he said. Okay, so that's how like he tracks the stocks. Yeah, okay, yes. Someone said, Amit ji said heavyweights. So talking about the heavyweights, HDFC Bank. So yeah, so the ATM is like almost near there, 193. 1940. So anyways, yeah. So here, if you see the like the big guys, like the big operators. So as I always say that out of the sharks also there are bigger sharks and smaller sharks. So and also we mostly follow the light red and the light green. So if you can see here, right at the like 923, right at 923, someone did huge put writing, okay, and these were put buying. I think they were for hedging purpose. That's why we don't follow those buying. Again, here put writing happened at 938 and 937, and again somewhat here, and then 947, and after that like it pumped up. Okay, and so we are on 1 minute chart, yeah, and also like mostly throughout this region, if you see till here like put writing only happened, and after that somewhat here call writing happened, and there they tried to take it down again, and again here put writers started in, and yeah, that's the overall scenario. Like here also some call writers were mostly present, and so okay, so now talking about Reliance. So okay, so Reliance, yeah, Reliance, if you see here, that is call writers were dominating right here. So one put writing, single put writing happened there, but mostly they were called writers, and it started coming down, but then again put writers came in, and again call writers were also there. So it's basically a mixed signal there. And right here, like again some put writers were there, and after that, like here some big call writing happened, but if you see here, that is the charts did not bend. So that's what I say, like wait for the charts to bend. Okay, so if the charts are not bending, then we have to wait. So to let the market follow in that direction, and so again somewhat like call writing happened mostly here. So mostly in this region we see call writing happening. Okay, so we yes, and so that's what the big guys are doing there in Reliance, and so even in HDFC also, like if we saw like here put writing happened, and so here also put writing happened and it went up, but like this one, like So instantly, like, the chart starts bending. So whenever instantly the chart starts bending, so that is also a good sign, like those shorts are following. Yeah, so coming back to Sensex. No, HFT is there also for the US market, but that is like I have kept it separate. Yes, Mr. Amit, you can let me know like if you want to see any other stocks as well. Even the last expiry was also like a boring one for the buyers, like for the sellers, it was interesting. Market did not move much. Like on the quantum also, we got the signal at right at the top, like, and there it started falling. But anyways, this is a consolidation zone, so obviously, like even if you're a buyer, so uh, scalping would be the best opportunity. So and it's mostly about patience. Like either you get the move instantly or you have to wait for the move. That's it. Like, but again, every day it's catching nice reversals, and like if you are able to catch one or two reversals, I think like that should be pretty good. Like I mean, just 24/700 if we go back again, which is the ATM in the morning, like which was the ATM in the morning. So, like here, put writing right at the top fell, and right at the bottom again. Sorry, call writing right at the top fell, right at the bottom, put writing went up, and that's it. And also, like as I said, like either you can like maybe again everything that I'm saying it's not a buy hold sell recommendation, so it's only like strategies that I'm speaking of. So now the thing is that like here put riding happened, okay, so yes you are riding, so as I told you, like if you don't want to miss out the move, so you can ride with the trailing SL, okay, and after that even if you see call writing is happening, so you just keep a caution, like since you're trailing your SL, sorry, trailing your profits. So I mean like as soon as market starts coming down, so it will obviously like close it automatically, but the thing is that you can even trail with the smart trend as well, and so that's it. Like so again, like as I said, like most people can come and say that like it did not fall or something. So as I always say, wait for the charts to bend. Okay, so don't like right away jump into the fire. Like they can do a lot of things, like they can take it up further, average out their position, and then finally tomorrow you might see the move. So again, we might not be very sure about their ultimate goal, but whatever they're placing the current bets, if market is following, then we have to, I mean, jump in and catch those moves. That's the main goal of following the HFT. Like right here, put writing mostly happened in Nifty, if you saw. Okay, here call writing happened, here put writing happened, and it went up after that. So right here, like as I also said, like since put writing has happened, so if I have shorted wherever, like even here also, or even right at the top as well, wherever I have shorted, so I'll just get out. Like whatever be the thing, like I basically get out, or what you can do is, as I already said, like you can trail your profits. Or so as a trader, you have to ultimately like make your strategies. Like so this is only helping you to figure out like the big institutional positions in real time, and after that as a trader you should know what you can do with that. But still we have like chalked out some rules as well, and according to like my experience how it's working and everything. Yes, order flow, if you look at there, so many orders, too much of like too much to handle there. So and the charts also becomes like very clumsy. It does not like give you a clear cut view or picture. So but I haven't used it personally. Like I don't I saw someone has made a um, their website, and they are making those, I think, go charting, or I don't remember exactly, but the thing is that like I haven't used them, so it won't be fair to like comment on that. But according to the chart I saw they posted, so I thought that it's very clumsy and everything, so which won't work out for me, so that's why I never opted for it. If trader has clarity about setup, then your indicator gives much more inner confidence on strength of that move. Yes, yes, you can like so suppose like as I said, like in the alerts also, that's why we have given those specific call writing and put writing and everything. So suppose today you know that I'm bullish, so that's so then you will only go with the put writing alerts. Or someone is bearish, then they will be waiting for the call writing alerts, and then they will have to check whether market is actually following, like market is reversing or the charts are bending from there. So and especially like the quantum model that we have, the fifth one, so that works with a very high I mean probability. Like we were live and you saw like this happened, but it wasn't able to capture the bottom one, which the model one did. Model 1 did both, like the writing at the top and the put writing below as well. So that's why I say, like those who are like in FOMO, that we don't have the premium account on TradingView, so like we won't be able to run the other models. But as I always say, our main primary and the best model is the model 1. Okay, and so this is like usually like if I want to make my accuracy further like a little higher, so then I would be like not only I'm confirming from like Sensex, but I'm also confirming from the other models as well. So that's what like I'm basically increasing my accuracy and nothing else from the other models. Like if you see here on the quantum in the morning, like as I showed you, like again I have to change the ATM to 700. So, but as I showed you, like in the morning, like call writing were present, and also in the main model also call writing happened and it fell. But below they did put they did call buying in the quantum model. Okay, so but in our HFT model it gave like the main model, it gave the put writing signal, and the main model works on every trading view account, like even the basic free one as well. And right below you have the model 2. So that's it, like basically I mostly follow these two models and mostly the model 1. But again, if something sometimes is not making sense, because that's very usual in the stock market during live hours, so then I also look at the model 2 as well. But apart from that, like that's it, and that's how you can like enjoy the rides with the big institutions. And this fall exact from the top, and this support exact from the bottom. I mean, it happened all right in front of you during the live stream. And I think I have been like, when did I post that? Like I posted 46 minutes ago. So no, uh, yes. So just not even 1 hour has been gone. Like so I've been live for 40 minutes, and within that 40 minutes, I mean, like I think from 120 130 I was live. So yes, so just from here we were live. You saw the put writing, it went up. Okay, and then you saw the call writing, it went down, and then again you saw the put writing and it went up. Okay, so just within 40 minutes of our live stream you got like almost like two and a half reversal, like this reversal and this reversal, and this was, let's say, kind of small reversal anyways. And it again, if you don't want to believe the past performance, please don't. Whatever is happening live, just believe that, because that can't be faked. It's all up to you after that, what you want to believe or not. Which one is so small? Yeah, Ronak, see you later. Why don't you increase the font size to 20, go to settings and canvas, then change? Font size of what? It is so small we cannot see anything. Oh, font size of the smart trend. But smart trend, we don't follow all the buy sell signals, right? Like I can increase it, but again, we don't mostly, like I only open it when I want to see whether the buy or the sell signal. I suppose I'm waiting for a sell signal, then only I open it, and otherwise I keep it like close, because I want to I want to have a clean chart. So, and when I'm scalping also, I don't use the smart trend, because suppose I get a signal here and I sell, I scalp, and that's it, I get out. So it's all based on just the HFT I do it. even if you have seen, like, all my analysis, all my thing, whatever I do, like, I keep the charts very, very simple, like only, not even any slanting line as well, like all horizontal lines and basic support and resistance, and rest my indicator. That's it. Like, the thing is that pairing up Nifty with Sensex is like the advantage that you saw here. The put riders. Here we got the signal of put riding, but not heavy put riding in Sensex. But in Nifty we got. And again, if you like enjoyed those reversals just within the first 40 minutes, some two and a half reversals, two reversals and another one small, very small. Anyways, if you enjoyed those reversals, I think like the indicator or the video deserves some likes. And again, I don't request people to like until unless the indicator shows some reversals during the live hours as well. But like if it gives you, if it shows you like it's true magic, it's true power, so then I definitely tell people like now it deserves some likes. And again, likes are anonymous. No one will know that you have liked or anything, or it doesn't cost you anything. Again, if you can see here, call buying happened, but call writing also happened. Like, we don't follow the buying, we mostly follow the writing. So call writing happened, and now even here also somewhat like Nifty got resistance here. So now we have to, as a trader, we have to watch again if Nifty is getting resistance and the charts are bending, or even if like this level is also being taken down, then as a trader we have to wait. So it's very simple to use, like you can, it's very clean, it's very simple to use. Rules are also very simple, nothing complicated or something. So like here, like we saw call writing and the charts are were bending, right? Just a second. Yeah. So what you can do is like, yes, even if you have like we saw mostly call writing. Again, we don't follow the call buying, and the put writing was very, very small, negligible. So the big sharks were doing call writing, right? And that was again like we saw it got resistance from there as well. Here also it was making sense. And now if it's following, like all you can do is trail your profits and that's it. So it's all about a little bit of trading knowledge that you need, very, very basic knowledge. Even if you don't have that, like no problem. So again, like still not even 1 hour and we got more than three reversals. So again, if you like think that this indicator is worth it, so please don't forget to put a like. And also sometimes like some other scenarios can come up. Like for example, we saw huge call writing happened here. Okay, suppose for example, suppose this was a very huge call writing, or maybe like a good amount of call writing happened here. Market is falling. We saw put writing happening, and it might like let's say slightly reversed. But again, it's basically like the amount of call writing was very heavy. Okay, and we saw put writing, so we like as I said, like I mainly close, so I closed. But again, after slightly going up again, I see that it's mainly again bending and trying to follow those call writers because they were very, very big, or they have taken some huge positions. So then what I can do is wherever like those put writers were present, the candle, so if I get a candle lower than that, so then I can again initiate my position. So like this also, you can like it's all about tracking the big institutions and making some ideas about uh, who has put a bigger bet, like the bears or the bulls, from the big institutional side. So again, as you can see, like it was trying to go up, but again the call writers came in and it's again going down. Here also, if you saw, like the put writers were there and also the call writers, but who put a bigger bet? The call writers were more, and also like these are like the one, like the big shark. So they shorted at this level. So that even like in a falling market also you sometimes get signs like this, that is further fall can also happen. So Mr. Das, please advise how much quantity we should observe in call writing or put writing. So that no, you don't take whatever, if even the quantity is also like let's say 200 CR of call writing, then also don't jump immediately. Okay, so jump only when you see that market is following. Like here, we saw that call writing happened like this one. Okay, then the next green candle came up. Okay, so we wait. So let's say that market was falling here, and then this green candle's low was taken down here, or wherever they shorted, market came below that level. Okay, so there are like you can use the idea that yes, now the charts are bending in their direction. Okay, and then you can go for it. Don't immediately jump, but yes, if the amount is like near about 50 cr or more than 50 cr in Nifty, and if more than 100 cr or 200 cr, then it's a very good one. And usually like it follows with a high probability. But again, as I'm saying, like the rules are rules, like we always have to wait for the charts to bend in their direction. Okay, and it's not, it's, I mean, why do you have to right away jump in here? Like see, nicely came down, so wait for, have patience, and like let it follow. Okay, this one again, here call writing happened. Those who are new here, please, we don't follow the deep green. Okay, it might be that uh, they might be like closing their call writing positions, or might be hedging their call writing positions with this call buying. So you see, I mean, the call buying did not follow here, right? It did not go up, but it followed the call writing. So that means those buying were can be for hedging of the call writing positions. Okay, so it might be that they shorted here. Now they are feeling that if market goes above our level, then we should hedge our position. So that's why they might have hedged their positions. So many things can happen with the buying thing, but you see, mostly like the writing is following, that is call writing. So here somewhat of put buying happened. So we follow the light rate. Call writing, yes, followed. Put writing, yes, followed. Call writing again here, yes, followed. So that is what, like, as I always say that even if you are also like if you also have an account of let's say 10 cr, then you will mostly write with let's say 5 cr, 6 cr. Even you can use all I mean, sometimes you might also use the whole of 10 cr to just write options. You might write very very far away and hedge them properly, but you won't ever go with 5 cr and buy options, right? So because a sudden move can wipe out 50% of it. So that's why we follow, since the big institutions mostly they have like Jane Streets are trading with billions. Our HFT Indian HFTs are also like trading with more than 500 CR capital, 1000 CR capital. So they mostly write. Yes, I'm not denying they don't buy, like even in the, you will understand that better in the quantum model. So like if I change it to 24/700, which was the ATM in the morning, so they also buy. But again, since with a high probability, we have seen that the best scenario is to follow the writing positions. That's why we follow the writing. So if you see with respect to the quantum model, like here, so what they did was like did call writing, and then here they did some call buying. Okay, and then it pumped up right from there. Okay, so again you would say here they did call writing, but it did not follow. So the thing is that like they can average out, like here it did not follow, they are averaging out here, again here. Okay, so they can do several things. So that's why we have to wait for the charts to bend. Until unless the charts are bending in the direction, we don't go. Okay, so I mean, it's actually a very powerful tool. Just you have to use it with a little bit of patience, and that's it. Hello, buddy. Did you make any changes to catch afternoon expiry move like after 2 p.m.? I never said like this is like, I mean, if there is some big signal, it will catch the HFT. I mean, it's not about after 2 p.m. or before 2 p.m. It's about when the big institutions make some good positions, like it shows up like with a high probability. Again, I'm not claiming that we know everything about the big institutional positions. So yes, with a high probability, it's catching immediate after spotting it. Okay, yeah. So like almost 1 hour we were live from 1:30 p.m. So I think you have joined right now. So we were live from 1:30 p.m. So from here, put writing happened, light green went up, call writing happened right at the top, went down, put writing light green happened, went up, call writing happened, went down. Okay. Again, further call writing happened here as well, again went down. Okay. So again, if you see in Sensex also someone is doing put writing, I think just to eat the premium for tomorrow, because we have expiry there. But again, if you see the bigger, like out of the sharks, there are bigger sharks and smaller sharks also. Like the big sharks were these. Okay, and we were live. Just go and rewind the live session, and we were live. So why wait for like after 2 p.m. or so? Whenever you get a proper signal, you can just simply ride and catch reversals. Like ride all from the top. Okay, like this one we talked about, like the pump that came in the morning. So this one, so right from at the bottom you see totally the big put riding happened. Okay, so and it pumped up. So here right now some put writing happened. So let's see. So in Nifty it happened, the amount is 14 cr, not a very big one. So so these are now small sharks. This was a bigger shark, still not very big, but medium shark, like 28 cr. But it might also be like they the big sharks are only like, they might be like they are averaging out their positions of the call writing. So that might also be the case. Indicator nice, yeah, high. Best time frame to use. You can use like 3 minutes, also 5 minutes as well. But since I'm a scalper, I mostly use 1 minute. But it's all up to you. The outputs will be the same, just in a cumulative fashion. The outputs will be there. Could you show us the live you're trading based on signal? I clarified that in the last live streams. Okay, so yeah, thanks. Now my confidence level is 0. Okay, so you check your confidence level according to the output of the or how the indicator is performing, and that's it. My confidence would prove nothing. So my confidence is that I am coming live and showing it to you. Okay, people don't come live with their indicators and show because they don't have any confidence about if they think that if their indicator goes wrong during the live hours, I'm coming live. That's what, like, in the I mean, I'm coming live while the market is live. Okay, so that shows confidence. Like here, right here, you saw put trading happening. Okay, so no, 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 you cannot see how I trade. No, 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 no. I'm not showing my bank account in public, right? That's not a very good option. So as I told you that in Nifty, you saw put trading happening, but in Sensex we did not get the same signal. Okay, so in Sensex we are writing here happening, put trading is also happening. So it's basically a mixed signal in Sensex, like not mixed. You can say like uh, that is short straddles are forming, or also like if you see like mostly call writing is happening. So it might be sell on rise opportunity. Sorry, bro. Cannot show you PNL. I discussed that. Good afternoon, Venkatji. So the product you're buying, so that you have to see, okay? Because let's say I might be a very pro trader or I might be a very bad trader as well. So it does not depend, like it all depends on the signal that the uh, indicator is generating, right? What chart? There are no movements in ATM CP charts. No, no, there are movements. Like suppose I only took this trade here. There, I shorted here also, uh like the put side, like you see like it went up by 10 to 15 points, like in Sensex, sorry, in Sensex. Yeah, like right here the put trading happened, and when this move was coming, like yes, the CSP like the P side, they went down. I mean, just yes, overall if you say that they are not going down, so that's a different story. But yes, as a scalper, like I got the points. So the point is, like, if I don't have confidence over my indicator, why will I come live? I'll just after market hours, I'll just make some story. I'll make a very nice script, and then after market hours, I'll like make the replay version and then tell my story and show you how nicely my indicator performed. Live is all about like the thing that is you have confidence over your indicator, and so many live stream shows the confidence that so like uh I like it's not like I'm afraid that my indicator won't work or something. And if the indicator is working, that's it. Like the product you are buying is working. Now the trader who is trading behind that, his capabilities or her capabilities might be different, and it might vary. So that doesn't depend on your capabilities. Like a trader using the indicator, his or her capabilities is not directly proportional to your capabilities. You have different capabilities, I have different capabilities. But if we use a product, we have to see if the product is working in the live market hours or not. प्रोडक्ट जो बोल रहा है, इंडिकेटर जो बोल रहा है, अगर वो काम कर रहा है तो बस काम कर रहा है. अगर ये मुझे चाहिए तो चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए तो नहीं चाहिए, बस दैट्स इट. हाँ या ना, मतलब बीच में तो कोई कोई ऑप्शन नहीं होता है, राइट? No, fooling would be nothing. Like, see, Airtel. So, if you see all these things, I'll have to hide you. I'm not fooling anyone. Like right in front of you, the reversal happened. What do you mean by fooling retailers? I'm giving you the last warning. I don't want any. I have already discussed all these things in the past live streams. Just go and check out the answer there. Okay. Okay, guys. So मतलब 1 घंटा भी नहीं हुआ, three reversals, like one. So let's say that this was a small one, then this reversal, 1, 2, 3, and then again some put traders came here, it's taking support. तो 1 घंटे के अंदर 4 रिवर्सल आपको देखने को मिला. So what do you mean by fooling retailers? देखिए, आपको अगर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है रिवर्सल कैच करने में, आप क्यों बेकार आपका टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो? प्लीज डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम हियर. टाइम इज वेरी प्रेशियस. Almost 3 p.m. guys. Let's see. And there are like platforms like you have you have the biggest option chain platform or whatever they call themselves. So maybe he's for having 1 lakh followers, more than 1 lakh followers on X. Even I also use their option chain platform. So it's not like I go and ask him, show me your PNL. So he has made some tools, he has made some platform, and if you think that those are helpful to you, so it's helpful. If you think those are not helpful, then it's not helpful. Buddy, see, I have shown you the proof that I am a PropDex trader. Like just go and scroll. Okay. So if you want to enter a prop, so first let me tell you something. If you want to enter a PropDex, okay, you have to show your past performance. Otherwise, they won't take you there. Okay, they won't put their money on you if you just go and tell them I am a profitable trader, right? And whether I trade or not, the proof is right there. Like you have to scroll down. And so the thing is that until unless you're you are showing your profitable journey, so they won't ever, like they would be giving you 1 CR, 2 CR, 3 CR, 5 CR. So it's not a joke, right? If you're not a good trader, why would they put those money? And the second thing is that I also shared a lot of like my PNLs and throughout, like every day over a month, and every day I came on the almost every day I came on the uh, top list of the sensible page. Okay, so, and I think they are still there as well, so you can go and check out. And I have a security reason. And the last day also I shared, I said that after this I won't be I won't be sharing anything there. So, and also PropDix, they have sheets. Okay, they don't have verified PNL like Sensible and everything. And the one I was talking about, like Sensible platform, so I also use their option chain, I use their tools, but I never go and ask Abbott like show me your PNL. Otherwise I won't use your tool or platform. It doesn't make sense. If I think the tool is useful for me, I'll use it, otherwise I won't use it. Okay, Abid won't ever show me his PNL. Like he won't even care to even comment also. So that is how things work. Even there is like Vivor Gupta also. Just go and check out, like he has also started, he's running a prop firm, I think, or he's a prop trader, and he has also started his membership and so on, but never shared his PNL because there is a security reason first of all, and you have to understand whether the thing is working for you or not. No one is fooling you because we are coming live and showing you the live performance, so that like we are not telling you that blindly follow our words and buy our indicator. We are showing you live. After live performance, if you think that yes, it's worth it, it's worth it. Otherwise it doesn't work, it doesn't work. As simple as that. Trust me guys, you won't take bad trades using this indicator. I am a member. Yes, so a member is saying this. Thank you, Mr. Prabhu. Ankur, as for Nifty going to be down. Yeah, might be, because now here we are seeing more call writing than put writing. Like put writing happened, but very less. Mostly call writing happening here. 8200 points correction on way. So yes, even if that correction also comes, I won't be surprised. Why? Because like here we saw the charts did not bend much, but here call writing happened. And so also mostly if you see throughout this region, like call writers are dominating. But anyways, this is stock market and anything could happen. If it starts following in that direction, we will definitely go with that. Hi, monitoring Nifty from 11 a.m. The call writing is more than put writing, but Nifty is not going down compared to the put writing, and that has happened. Can you explain this? Yes, that's what I explained. That is, we have to wait for the charts to bend. Okay, so like here, while we were live, like we saw the call writing and the chart started bending, and now again, how much it will fall, we don't know. We have to trail our profits. Here, the put writing happened and it went up. Again, here call writing happened, it's going down. So we have to wait for the charts to bend. But here, while those call writing happened, this one, okay, the chart started bending, but again, finally, again it took up. So the thing is that after watching the chart started bending or something, even if you are entering there as well. So first of all, like if it's not crossing the smart trend or something, you have to use the idea, like you can also take the help of the smart trend as well. Or if you think that like you can put some SL and get out as well. So it's all up to you. But yes, it did not move here. And so the thing is that here further put writing happened, and then after that, like majorly called writers are there and they are dominating. Like here, like here, like here, while we were live. So yes, like wait for the charts to bend, even if the charts are bending and like finally failing. So it might be that you are getting out at let's say a very small profit or a very small loss. Okay, so trail your profits. So that's the thing I always mention. Two things, that is, the first thing is that wait for the charts to bend, and the second thing is trail your profits. Okay. Also, does that mean that tomorrow we may gap down? So no, that doesn't mean, that doesn't ensure anything. So I would suggest wait for the end. Like let's see even our AI money flow how it ends and something. So as you remember, like our AI money flow was a little bit like ending into negative, and market went up in the initial phase, but again came down. So like there were big guys who shorted. So like if you go and check out Friday's last message that I posted on the members group, so there I clearly mentioned that it was looking weak, and in the morning, I mean, before pumping, like before they did some heavy put writing and took up, like they initiated, like I have to change again the to 700. So they again did call writing, and I think they averaged out or something. So they here also at the end we saw call writing. So I think they made an escape and then after that put writing and took it up. So let's wait for the ending and then uh, we'll see what is happening. Or it might be the case that is like since we have like Sensex expiry, so they did put writing, I mean, almost at the bottom today, and now they are doing call writing almost at the top today. So if you see the huge call writing happened right here, so let's put a horizontal line there. So right here, and even this call writing also happened right there. So that's the thing, like so let's put the resistance above here. So if Sensex crosses this level, then we should be worried. Like then the call writers should be worried about their positions. Otherwise, till then, like I think here the put writers were there mostly. So let's also draw a line. So it will help us even for tomorrow's expiry as well. So if market like goes range bound, so it will be within these two ranges, or if one of the side breaks, so then we will have to be cautious. So now the small sharks are like dominating call writing and then again put writing again going up. So these are put buying, okay? We don't follow put buying, call buying. Deep colors are buying. Also, does it mean that tomorrow we will, okay, if charts are bending but not much of movement, then scalp and get out. Like that's why I say like use some tools to like scale profits. Okay, is it 3 p.m.? Yeah, 3 p.m. Let's see. So this is the amount of 22.8 year of call writing happened. So right, you can see here like call writing and then next candle comes down. Here you would say that like call writing and put writing both happened, yes, but who did put like the beers they did like they have put a bigger bet. but this is usually a sign of short straddle. But if you want to scalp, so then you have to go with the one who is putting a bigger bet. Like they are putting 22 cr and these guys are putting 12 cr. So both are small sharks, but yeah, hi. Hmm. No, so the thing is that like, see, like it's working for now, it's working. So why do we need to change a code which is working? Do you see any improvement in this indicator that can see? मतलब अगर आप चाहते हो कि मतलब हर रिवर्सल, हर कैंडल, हर मूव मतलब मुझे पकड़ना है, तो ये नहीं हो सकता है स्टॉक मार्केट में। मतलब ये आप मतलब एकदम क्लियर कर लो कि मुझे एकदम एवरी मूव मतलब सब मूव चाहिए, तो ऐसे नहीं होगा ना। जैसे कि ये वाला देखिए, मतलब आई मीन आई हैव टू चेंज अगेन द एटीएम 20, so it's working like, see here, call writing happened, fell, put writing happened, went up, right? So again, as I said, like now you would say, what about these call writers? Charts are not bending, right? So don't have to follow them, just ignore them. Okay, just keep in mind that हाँ call writing हुआ है, so you have to follow simple rule and that's it, like, and if it is working, so and almost every move it's capturing, like so far we are live, like this move was captured, this move was captured, this move was captured, here also call writing, so this move was also captured. Again here we will take support, as I told you, like put writing is happening, again it took support here. Now like it's after like 3 p.m., as I always say, avoid, like they can be making positions for tomorrow and move might not follow or followed, depends, right? जो काम कर रहा है मतलब विद अ हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी, हाई एक्यूरेसी, तो उसे वैसे ही रहने दीजिए, मतलब see, like as you said that more accurate or more accuracy, for that only, like last week, last to last week I think, or last week I introduce the other four models. Like if someone wants to increase their accuracy further, okay, like the quantum HFT, like here, the fifth model. So as you can see, that was the right last green candle. Okay, so that's giving you a confirmation. So like this, I mean, yes, I'm working on that. Like, suppose if like since it's a probabilistic model, so if by any chance it misses out any big signal in Nifty, then we can get it in Sensex or vice versa. Or uh, if we want more confirmation, we can use the other four models as well. So that's the thing, like that's talking about increasing accuracy. Like here put writing happened, right? Now in the quantum there was no put writing, but in the model 2 there were put writing right at the bottom here, and it went up. So the main is the model 1 and it's working everywhere. Okay, so you can see it's like pure magic. Why did you change ATM to 24/700 when current ATM? No, 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 no. I changed. So this is 24/9. I changed it to like show what happened right in the morning, because right in the morning it was like uh, the ATM was 24/700, right? So that's why, like, to show exactly what happened in the morning, because in the morning we won't be giving the ATM as 24/900. We don't know whether market will go up or down. So what exactly happened at that ATM? So to show the past performance, I changed the ATM. Change ATM to 24/950, almost equal call writing and put writing in 3 p.m. and 3:1. Okay. So yeah, someone has observed, like I don't follow the multiples of 50, especially like on a non-expiry day. On an expiry day also, if I feel that yes, now it might end here at some multiples of 50, then only I take. Yes, yes, right. So there's some equal amount of call and put trading happened. Correct. I mean, actually the current ATM is 24/950, but usually I go with multiples of 100, because in Nifty major activities happen in multiples of 100. So this you can understand, like they did short straddle. Okay, might be that we are looking for a boring day for option buyers tomorrow. But again, let's not speculate. Let's see what happens. What might be like suddenly tomorrow morning they do some huge call writing or put writing. So always like let the emotions I mean, don't let the emotions come in. Like whatever will happen, we will just, because we know with a high probability that what the big guys are doing in real time. So why do we have to worry about the future? So we will see what the big guys are doing, and we will do according to that if the charts are bending in their direction, and that's it. Like very simple. And every day it's catching some good reversal. So I mean, there shouldn't be any doubt that अगर ये रिवर्सल छूट गया तो और नहीं मिलेगा, या कल शायद ना मिले, तो वो डाउट भी आई थिंक इट शुड बी ओवर. बिकॉज एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दिस, लाइक मेरे साथ भी हुआ है कि आज मुझे एक अच्छा सिग्नल मिल रहा है, सो आई गो विथ लाइक a big quantity or something, thinking that अगर कल सिग्नल मिले या ना मिले, तो ये जो फीलिंग था वो ओवर हो गया, मतलब because every day this indicator is catching reversals, giving nice opportunities. And even like I have also forgotten taking positionals. Nothing to worry about overnight. Just chill and come during the live hours. This will obviously give you, I mean, not just one, not just two, many reversals, and just write them and finish. That's it. Like I'm subscribing to the indicator tomorrow. Will it be activated the same day? Yes, like within 5 to 10 minutes we will activate it. Okay. And even like you can subscribe like today or as well, but you get access today itself, but your membership count starts from tomorrow itself. So you get time to watch the charts and go into the little depth and before going live tomorrow. Okay, so I think I have answered all the queries and everything. So the benefit of this is tracking the big institutions is like you don't have to speculate, you don't have to let your emotions come into the picture. Because suppose I have shorted and my emotions are still saying that Nifty will give a further 50 points fall. But with the HFT, I can very well see put writing is happening. तो मैं इमोशन को हटा के मतलब I will just straight away close my position. So I mean it can just reverse and wipe out my profit, right? So but as I also said that suppose if it has reversed and then again going into my direction because I saw some huge call writing happening or something, just for example, so then again I'll short and again I'll write. Okay, so as long as it's making sense, the move, then I'll definitely like I mean making sense with respect to the big institutional position, so I'll write. And not only this live stream or something, like many live streams have been done, everyday performance have been shared so that like people can decide before purchasing it. And also those who cannot purchase, they also can take the benefit of the live streams as well. So and also like I also sometimes post on X as well, like so those posts I have clearly mentioned that there will be written that current update, so this word will be there, so whichever post this word is there, you know that I'm posting it like because I've seen something unusual activity from the big institutions. So I do my best, and the rest is up to you all. Now you can see put writing is also happening, and the time is 7. Even in Sensex also put writing happened. So someone just came in the comment section, they said that Nifty will fall. So that is what I'm saying, like yes, it can fall tomorrow as well or something, but why speculate, why let our emotions come into the picture? You can simply track the big institutions like this, that they're doing put writing here, we saw live and it took support there. So and it's also happening absolute real time. Okay, so no delay or something that I missed the move, after that I got the signal or something, so nothing. Yeah, so how to contact Bo? I have some doubts. You can text me on WhatsApp. So even this number is also given on the website as well. So this is my WhatsApp number. You can text me and I'll reply back. So it's just that a little bit of stock market knowledge is just required, that I should buy call or I should buy puts or sell according to my portfolio or my profile, and the charts are bending or not. And the big institutions, what they're doing, and out of the sharks, who is like the bigger shark and who is the smaller shark. That's it. And rest also you have our AI money flow as well, so which is like kind of showing neutral. So actually after 3 p.m. the score went up, so someone made some long positions, I think, even after 3 p.m. I think, but again it's coming down to neutral. So again, I think short straddlers are there. So so now both call and put writers are present. Even in Sensex also, like, call writing happened there. This sheet is what? This sheet is like, as I said, like with 3 indicators, it's a total complete setup. What are the 3 indicators? It's the HFT, that is our like flagship indicator. The other one is the smart trend, where we, as I said, we don't follow all the buy and sell signals. Okay, it's basically like if I want some sell signal and I'm waiting, so I can go with the help of the smart trend, buy and sell signal. Otherwise, we don't ride with all the buy sell signals. And the smart trend doesn't it works on any chart. Even suppose you are doing a swing trade in any stock in cash also, you can take the help of that as well. So to use it, because it trails the SL and it gives you a stop, so you can take the help of that as well. Again, no recommendation or anything. The third one is the AI money flow, where a score is generated. Okay, a score is actually generated like of the option chain, and you have I mean it gives you an overall picture about the the option chain. Okay, so overall sentiment about the option chain data. So like even if you can see here, the score went up here and like it jumped to 61, 1033. Even there, after that also market pumped up, like there 1033. Even after that also you got a move. But the thing is that all you have to do is you have to check the change in the score. Even if it is negative or positive, doesn't matter. You have to check the change, like the scores are increasing or decreasing. So that is the main part. Okay, that is the scores are increasing or decreasing. Like here it went to -40 by 956, and then after that the score started increasing. Okay, and it's increasing. So like after that, like let's say that if you see here, that is before 10 a.m. the score started increasing, and here the score were increasing and it pumped up, right? So it's not about the score has to go into the total strength zone or something. You have to check the change in the score. Okay, so that is also sometimes very helpful to see what is the overall sentiment, because it analyzes all the variables in the sentiment and it gives you just a score. So how is it helpful? because while you look at the option chain, you mostly look at just the OI, mostly, okay? But you don't look at volume, you don't look at IV, or it's even not even practical to remember IV, volume, those specific data and calculate everything in your mind. So we are basically like combining all the data and just giving you a score. Okay, you have to just look at this column. That's it. Okay, so this will tell you whether the option chain sentiment is neutral or bullish, or like if the scores are changing, so in which side, whether it's increasing or decreasing. So accordingly, the sentiment is going like bullish or bearish, you understand that. So that's the thing. And with these three setups, like you have a total complete setup, like for option chain, sorry, for option traders. Okay, so even those who trade in futures also, like you need ultimately direction, where the HFT comes into the picture. Like you as a buyer also, like you need, like if you are able to catch reversals as a buyer, so that is the best gift you can have as an option buyer. So obviously for sellers it's a like a very good opportunity, but for buyers also, like the best gift a buyer can have, an option buyer can have, is catching reversals. So that's the thing, like overall you have a complete setup, and just three indicators, and that also we are not following all the three indicators all together. Like I can just open just the score on my screen, and like just the score here, and look at the score, and mainly I trade with the HFT, and that's it. Like because I'm a scalper, that's why like I mostly trade with the HFT. Okay, so like this one we were live, this one again here as well, again this one took support there, right there, and we talked about it that put writing is happening here also. Right now call writing and put writing are happening, but right here some more put writing happened. So let's also look at Sensex as well. Yeah, Sensex also some put writing happened there. Please show 24/700 CA chart, 9:50 AM writing positions. CA chart, I don't, CE chart, I think, right? Uh, like what is there with respect to the C? You can tell me like what doubts you have, like exactly what you want to see. Like, can you clarify? Come on, this shit is what? Yes, I explained. Avnit ji, can you please explain like what exactly you want to see? C charts, P charts, everyone can see. Like everyone has the access to 24/700 C chart. Like go to your broker's terminal and just check it out. So yes, we saw Nifty and Sensex. So we forgot to look at Bank Nifty. So let's also have a recap of Bank Nifty today. So this is the beauty here. As you can see, Bank Nifty, like call writing happened, put writing happened light green 9:15. So 9:15 AM, you don't get even the OI data from NSE. It comes at 9:18. So right at 9:15 AM, we got the signal of big put writing, okay? And then after that, some call writing also happened. But again, you have to watch who is putting the bigger funds, okay? Who is like putting bigger bets. Here, some call writing also happened. They tried to take it down. So that's why I say that the charts are bending, it's going down, failure profits, okay? So like anytime anything can happen. This is stock market, but as long as you are in profits, trail your profits. That's the main thing. And going here, so right at the end, some call buying we can see, but we don't follow the call buying. So here, like call writing, put writing, both are there. So at the end, like in every index, we can see like both bears and bulls are present. So in Nifty, some good amount of put writing is happening. Okay, let's go back to Sensex again. Yeah, in Sensex also put writing is happening. So yes, Avniji, like still not clear. Like 24,700 C, can you clarify like that? You can see in your broker's terminal. Like, what is the need for me? Nifty option chart. No. So the thing is that like option chart, the chart doesn't matter. Like I can open here Reliance as well. Like let's say I open the Reliance chart as well. So it doesn't matter which chart you are opening. Okay, so all it matters is like what you have put in the settings. Okay, whatever you have made in the settings here, so that it will go and see. So that's why like it doesn't matter that what charts you have opened, but again, many people say that will it work on Nifty futures chart? Yes, Nifty futures chart will also work. And it will show the same output. It's not like the thing is that your output will change. Okay, so outputs are the same. Like we saw here, call writing, put writing. So output will be the same. Okay, so you can use any chart you want, so it doesn't matter. I use a spot, but you can use futures as well. So I hope I have clarified all the doubts. No means option chart in trading view. Yes, you can open option charts in trading view as well. So okay, sorry, if you want to open option charts in trading view, so all you have to do is like so you have to go like this, Nifty, and then go to options, and then click on Nifty, select the date, and then like if you want to see, let's say someone was saying 700 call, so 700 call, so this is 700 call. Okay, so yes, you can open the charts as well, but that I think would be like not helping much to trade, like because market can go down or up. So anyways, like you can open the option charts as well on trading view as well. Okay, so any further queries or questions? So again, if you have enjoyed the live stream, please don't forget to put a like. And if you enjoyed the reversals, please don't forget to put a like, and that's it. Here also results will be the same. And again, at the end, we can see mostly like on the HFT put writing has happened, even in Sensex also. So it would be a little bit of caution for the bears. But again, as I said, we don't have to worry about anything. Tomorrow, let the market open. No positional, nothing to worry. Let the market open. Again, whatever reversal opportunities come, we will take it with the help of the HFT. Here also results will be the same. Yes. The results will be the same. Like as I just did it, right? You can rewind the live stream and just check. The results were the same. Okay, no change in the results. The results will be the same. Okay, guys. So any further doubts or anything? Okay, so then I'll end it here. Yeah, thanks everyone for coming up, and so that's it for this video. So I'll end it here. Okay, bye. See you in the next one.